Do you want to take your project management skills to the next level? Then you've come to the right place. In this video, we're going to cover one of the most crucial documents in project management, the Project Charter. Hi and welcome to Projectonomy. My name is Christine, and in this series I'm explaining project management topics in just 5 minutes. Don't miss out on the latest project management trends and best practices. Subscribe now to stay up to date with our videos. Project Charter serves as a compass for the entire project. In this video, I'll tell you everything you need to know about creating a comprehensive project charter that sets your project up for success. We'll understand the purpose of the project charter and we'll explore its key elements. By the end of this episode, you will have a full understanding of this crucial project management document. I'll also provide you a free sample template for you to build your next project charter. So let's get started. When you're initiating a new project, it's essential to have a clear understanding of what goes into it and the steps required to carry it out. This is where the project charter comes in. It's the first document that consolidates all of this information. But the project charter is more than just a document. It's the very first step in making your project official and obtaining approval to kick it off. By creating a project charter, you're ensuring that all members of the project team have a common understanding of the project's goals and objectives, which helps to maintain effective communication and collaboration. So what exactly goes into a project charter? Let's take a closer look at its key elements. These include project purpose, scope and deliverables, timeline, budget, stakeholders, potential risks and approval process. Let's explore them one by one. The first and most critical element of a project charter is the project purpose. This section should clearly articulate the problem the project aims to solve or the opportunity it seeks to pursue. It should also outline the expected benefits and the project's alignment with organizational goals. For instance, the purpose of a software development project could be to develop a new software application that streamlines customer support requests and reduces response times. When writing the purpose statement for your project, it's important to follow the SMART: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound guidelines. This will ensure that the statement is clear, concise, and aligns with the overall goals. Next up is the project scope and deliverables. This section should specify what's included in the project, which activities will be performed, and which outcomes will be delivered. It should also mention the project constraints and assumptions. Another essential element of a project charter is the high-level project timeline. This section lists the key milestones, deadlines, and delivery dates along with any dependencies. The fourth element is the project budget. Here we should provide breakdown of the cost by category, such as personnel, equipment, materials, and others. The next key element is the project stakeholders. This section should identify all the stakeholders who will be involved in the project, along with their roles, responsibilities, and expectations. It should also mention any potential conflicts or issues that may arise during the project. Identifying and addressing project risks is an essential part of project planning, and since the project charter is the foundation of the project plan, by including risks in the project charter, the team can proactively identify potential problems and develop strategies to mitigate or avoid them. Finally, the project charter should include the project's approval section. This section should outline the steps needed to approve the project charter and the roles and responsibilities of the people involved in the approval process. By including these elements in your project charter, you'll have a solid foundation for your project and ensure that everyone involved is on the same page. So take the time to create a comprehensive and well-written project charter, and you'll be setting your project up for success. In the description of this video, you'll find a link to a free sample project charter template that you can use for your own project. We'd love to hear from you in the comments if you found this video helpful or have any questions about creating your own charter. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel and hitting the notification bell button to be notified when we post new videos. Thanks for watching and we'll see you soon.